How to make thumbnail at Canva. Making thumbnail in Canva helps your content stand out on platforms like YouTube, attracting more viewers by giving a sneak peek of what your video offers. So basically, this is what we are going to do. We're just going to go here in our Canva homepage. We're just going to type here YouTube thumbnail. Now, after doing that, you will be redirected to this particular page. Now, here you have again templates. You can have categories that you want, so there are different kinds of categories. Now, the next thing that is very important for you to do is click all filters and then scroll down here until you can see price. So you want to make sure that it is free if you don't have Canva Pro account. Otherwise, it will just add more to the decision making that you'll have to do when choosing what kind of template or what kind of thumbnail you'd wish to use. So we're going to do that. Another thing is you can also do colors. You can choose the colors here that you want to use for your particular YouTube thumbnail. So it could be for branding, for example. Now in my case, I'm just not going to choose anything because I want to have more options. So I'm just going to click apply. And then from here, you can choose anything that you want. So let's scroll down here. Again, these are now free to use. We have eliminated all of those that are paid, or basically those that are pro. Okay, this one. Say for example, this one, I want to try this. I'm just going to click it and I'm going to click customize this template. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm just going to change something. Alright, for the image, you can change this if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it at that. And then let's try to delete this text. We're going to change it a little bit. Alright, so now I've come up with my own thumbnail. And again, congratulations everyone. That's how you're going to make thumbnail at Canva. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.